Good day everyone, my name is Julius J.D. Piapi and welcome to our 30 minutes lesson. Today's topic is one of the most important skills in computer system servicing or IT, installing an operating system. Where you're installing Windows, Linux or other platforms that process follow essential steps. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the requirements, installation steps, partitioning, configuring, and post-installation checks. Part 1. What is an operating system? Before we jump to the installation, let's define what an operating system. An operating system or OS is a software that manages computer hardware and allows other programs to run. Without an OS, a computer cannot function. Common OS example: Windows 10 or 11, Linux, Mac OS, Chrome OS Flex. Most commonly installed OS in an school and office a computer is Windows. Part 2. Reason for installing an operating system. We install an OS for several reasons. 1. New computer build, no OS installed yet. System upgrade, prepare Windows 11 over Windows 10. Number 3. Fixing corrupted OS. System won't boot. Virus cleanup. Perseverance infect. Installing an OS is essential for technicians and IT professionals. Part 3. Requirements. Before installation. Now let list what you need before installing an operating system. Hardware requirements. Example: Windows 10 or 11. Processor 1 GHz or faster. RAM 4 GB or higher. Storage 64 GB minimum. Graphics DirectX 9 compatible. UEFI secure boot Windows 11. TPM 2.0 Windows. Software requirements. Number 1. USB Containable OS installer, created using Rufus or Media Creation Tool. Number 2. iOS image file. Number 3. Product key for activation if required. Other preparation: backup important files, check BIOS or UEFI mode, disable secure boot if needed, plug in AC power for laptops. Part 4. Booting from installation media. To begin the installation, we must boot the computer for the bootable USB. The two methods: boost menu, press F12, ESC or F8 during startup. Number 2 method: BIOS, UEFI setting, and set USB as first boot priority. Once booted, the installation window will appear. Part 5. Installation step Windows example. Now let's go step by step to a typical Windows installation. This is the most important part of the lesson. Number 1. Start installer. Choose language, time, and keyboard input. Click next. Click install now. Number 2. Enter product key. If you don't have one, choose I don't have a product key. You can activate later. Number 3. Choose Windows edition like Home, Pro, Education. Delete all partition, format drive, create new partition. Typically partition setup. Drive 0 partition 1, system reserve. Drive O partition 2, primary where OS will install. Click next to begin installation. 7. Number 4. Accept license agreement. Read, then click accept. Number 5. Choose installation type. Upgrade, keep file setting, use for update. Custom, advanced, clean install recommended. Number 6. Disk partitioning. This is where you choose where install the OS. Delete all partition, format drive, create new partition. Typically partition setup. Drive 0 partition 1, system reserve. Drive 0 partition 2, primary where OS will install. Click next to begin installation. Number 7. File copying and installing process. Windows. Windows will copy files, install features, install apps. Part 6. First boot setup. After installation finishes, Windows will reboot and begin first time setup. Setup includes region and keyboard selection, connection to Wi-Fi, signing in with Microsoft account or offline account, creating username and password, privacy settings, and automatic updates configuration. Once done, the Windows desktop will appear. Part 7. Post-installation task. Installation the OS does not end with reaching the desktop. There are important post-installation tasks. Number 1. Install drive. Using Windows Update, manufacturer website, driver pack tools. Number 2. Install essential software like browser, official apps, antivirus, utility apps. 3. Windows updates. Ensure OS has the latest security patch. Number 4. System optimization. Change display setting, adjust power setting, remove bloatware, create restore point. Number 5. Activation. Use K9 product K. The step ensure your OS is stable and ready to use. Part 8. Troubleshooting common installation problem. Sometimes installation fail. Here are common issues. Problem number 1. USB not booting. Solution. Change BIOS boot mode, UFI or legacy. Problem number 2. No drive found. Solution. Load storage driver or check SATA mode. Problem number 3 is stuck on installation. Solution. Create bootable USB or replace corrupted ISO. Problem number 4, PC keep fusion. Remove USB after first reboot. Conclusion. At the concludes or installing operating system. Today you learn what an OS is, requirement for installation, how to boot for USB, how to perform a complete installation, first boot configuration, post-installation tasks, troubleshooting installation errors, mastering OS installation essential for computers, technician and it professional. Thank you for watching and good luck.